Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to create mail merge using MS Word application. Mail merge is one of the most important topic in MS Word application, is most important tool of MS Word. And to create mail merge, ensure that you have a common letter that you want to deliver to your employees or to your students or to your friends or family members, like Happy New Year, festival wishes, or just like a sample job offers, right? So ensure that you have a common letter that you want to deliver to multiple people, okay? And also ensure that you have the data of the recipient, that is known as the data resource. In Excel application, I have the list of the recipient, and ensure you have already converted that data into as a format as tabularized data. Now the data is available in the tabularized format, and also ensure that in your MS Word application you already logged into your Outlook account or Gmail account or any other account, any other email account that you have, because as MS Word application have a interlink with the Outlook, so ensure that you already logged into your Outlook and also MS Word application using your any type of mail ID. It could be Outlook account, it could be Gmail account, it could be Hotmail or Rediff Mail or Yahoo Mail. Ensure you already logged into your email accounts in your system. And we'll be using totally 3 applications. One is MS Excel for data, and Outlook for to confirming whether the mails are delivered or not, and again MS Excel application where we have a common letter and where we are going to create a mail merge, right? And to start the mail merge process, ensure that you have the common letter. Okay, right now I would like to send a job offer letter to the applicants. Okay, so on that specific cases, first we are going to create mail merge. To do that, just go to mailings tab from the MS Word application, and there you need to click on start mail merge. And again you need to click on step by step mail merge wizard. Now it will be helping you to do what next. Okay, so now on the first step, we are on the first step 1 of 6. So select a document type, what you want to create, whether do you want to create a multiple letters or do you want to mail this to multiple people. So as of now I want to create email messages, and we also discuss even letters at the end of this video. So first we'll complete email messages, and I'll just click on next. So now in this system it is giving a chance, what? Select starting document. How do you want to set up your email messages? So as of now I want this letter to be forward to multiple people, so I'll be using the same document. If you wanted to use any other template, if you wanted to use any other letter, then you need to choose the second option and also the third option. As of now the document is available on my screen in MS Word, so I wanted to use the same document to create mail merge. So that's enough, and click on next. Now we are in the third step. In the third step you need to select the list of recipient. So if you don't have the data in MS Excel, you also can create a new list in MS Word application by clicking on select recipient. You can click on type a new list, or you also can click on type a new list even at here also. So as of now the data is already available, my recipient data is already available in MS Excel, so I don't want to waste my time by typing new data once again. So I can simply select use an existing data. I wanted to use existing data in my computer, so I'll just go to browse and I'll be go to desktop. My data is available in the Excel format, that is in the name of data source, and click on open. So ensure that in my data I have the first column and they are my headers. So into that first row of data contains column header, and that's okay, and click on OK. Now the data is going to create, right? And now the data has been created, the last name, first name, address, city, country, and also mail ID, and also the pin code I have in a order. Then click on OK. Right, now what happens, simply we have imported the data from Excel application to MS Word application. Now the data is inside the MS Word application. Okay, next click on next step, write your email messages, and this is a place that where you need to design the mail. So in the place of dear, what I want is I want to insert the name of the employee, that name of the applicant candidate name. So just go to insert mail merge. In the place of dear, I want the name of the candidate, that is the first name space, again click on insert mail merge and last name. Okay, and after the date I want the total address of the recipient, right? So just keep your cursor down to the date and click on insert mail merge, first name space last name, and enter. In the second line I want the address, enter. In the third line I want the city, and enter. In the again I want country, and enter again. At end I want the pin code. Now I have taken multiple samples, right? So now we can understand how exactly system is going to get the data, is going to replace the data automatically. And just click on next step to preview your email. So now this is the sample preview. The first address, this is 5,03,000, and you can see the first address is the same person, right? So automatically system is replacing the data. You can keep clicking on recipient number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. If you have hundreds of people, even thousands of people, automatically system will be creating a multiple letter for each recipient, right? At end you need to click on complete the merge. So as soon you are going to complete the merge, the mail will be created, and at end you need to click on finish and merge. The moment when you click on finish and merge, system will be giving a chance whether do you want to print multiple documents or do you want to mail this directly. If you wanted to get the physical paper, if you wanted to send physical paper using any post, you can simply click on print documents, or if you wanted to mail this document to individual person, you can simply click on send email messages. The moment when you click on send email messages, once again system is giving a chance in the place of 2 what you want to insert. So I want to mail this to the mail, so I'll be selecting the label as mail. So whatever mail IDs that I already given in the mail column, that will be coming here automatically, right? And here subject line, what is the subject line? The subject line is very simple, is the job offer letter. Then this mail format, that will be as a plain text or attachment, and it will be mostly HTML, will be good look. Just click on OK. The moment when you click on OK, automatically the mails will be delivered using your Outlook account. As the MS Word application and Outlook is the both belongs to same one company, that is Microsoft, and both are interlinked. So to check the same, I'll just go to the my Outlook account and I'll be clicking on sent items. So in my sent items, you can see the Somesh, Robert, Arul, Vedanta and Ravi Telugu. Can see the same name that I already given in my data resource application. Right now the mails will be delivered, and we also check the same in the counterparty recipients accounts. So I'll be just log into the first one sample account, and I'll be showing you just by login with one sample account. So I'll be taking that email address. So I want these people, whether this person is received the mail or not. So I'll be logging with account. Just log into the same account. Yeah, now I'll be logging with one of the recipient account. Now we'll just check whether the mail has been received or not. And here you can see Ravi Telugu's job offer letter is one of the inbox of the recipient. You can once check the inbox, you can see the mail is available that we received, that we delivered using MS Word application. So in MS Word application, whatever mail you have created, that is delivered to the recipients, right? You can see exactly. Just 18th of February, Ravi Telugu, Secunderabad, the same address is available as we have done with the MS Word application. So this is very easy, and this is how simple it works. Thank you.